He is a Brazilian professional footballer. He has an estimated net worth of $135 million to $200 million. He is widely regarded as one of the best players in the world, who plays as a forward for the Ligue 1 club Paris Saint-Germain and the Brazilian national team. He has played for the teams such as Santos, Barcelona and Paris Saint, and is also member of Brazilian national team. In 2017, he signed a new 5-year contract with Paris Saint that made him highest paid soccer player in the world, and perhaps the highest paid athlete on the planet in terms of base salary. His base salary from the club is $78 million. He earned an additional $20 to $40 million per year from the bonuses and endorsements. For example, in 2020, he earned a total of $96 million, $78 million from the salary, $18 million from endorsement. His father's name, Neymar Sr. He had an on and off relationship with Brazilian actress Bruna between 2013 and 2018. He was born in the Mogi das, Brazil, 5th Feb 1992. His father, Neymar Sr., is a former footballer, and after noticing his son's growing talent in the sport, took on the role of his advisor. His mother's name, Nadine Santos. In 2011, he had a son named David Luca with the Carolina Panthers. His son named David Luca is better known as a Davy. His sister Rafaela Santos, internet celebrity. He came into the prominence at Santos, where he made his professional debut at age 17. In France, he won 3 league titles, 3 Coupe de France and 2 Coupe de la Ligue, which include a domestic treble, and being voted Ligue 1 Player of the Year in his debut season. With 68 goals in 111 matches for Brazil since debuting at age 18, he is second highest goal scorer for his national team, trailing only Pelé. He was a key player in the Brazil's victory at 2011 South American Youth Championship, where he finished as a leading goal scorer. His participation in 2014 FIFA World Cup and 2015 Copa America was cut short by injury and a suspension, respectively, before captaining Brazil to their first Olympic gold medal in men's football at the 2016 Summer Olympics. 2 years later, having rebounced the captaincy, he featured at the 2018 FIFA World Cup, and after missing 2019 Copa America through injury, helped Brazil to the runner-up finish at 2021 tournament. Sportspro named him the most marketable athlete in the world in 2012 and 2013. And ESPN cited him as the world's 4th most famous athlete in 2016. In 2017, Time included him in his annual list of 100 most influencing people in the world. In 2018, France Football ranked him the world's third highest paid footballer. Forbes ranked him the world's third highest paid athlete, dropping a spot for fourth in 2020.